Ang dami accessories dito sa aking table for my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have accessories for cases, for chargers, for camera grip, for power bank, for Magsafe charger, and of course, wireless power bank with dock from Xiaomi. Stay with me guys, papakita ko sa inyo all of these sulit budos na nakuha ko from all of these different brands. Let's get it started. So hi guys, I'm ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is being sponsored by our friends from Torras, and they are manufacturing really great cases that I've been using with my iPhones since iPhone 11. So guys, this one is a new creation na pinadala nila sa akin. I was able to test it out firsthand, and this is what they call the O stand from Torras, just made perfectly for iPhone 14 Pro Max users. And kita natin ang case niya is really nice, it's clear, and likod niya, you have this stand na very nice, color orange, and itong kind of swivel, which can turn up to this degree, pretty nice. And of course, pag ni-stand mo siya sa table, it looks very nice. And of course, we have your orange sides over here, and side frames niya is orange din. Pati yung button niya, color orange, pretty cool. And yeah, this is Magsafe safe. So later, papakita ko sa inyo yung charging niya. But of course, pwede naman natin isalpak right now. And makita nyo, yung click niya. Click! Yan, di ba? Yan. Very strong ang magnet niya. And this one's made out of 5 times stronger magnet para tuloy-tuloy ang charging nyo. Walang loss. So that's one of the property na gusto ko dito sa O-stand ni Torras. And another case na meron nila is this one, si O-stand na 360, which you can turn this 360 degree. Okay? So, depending on the angle that you like, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano itong gamitin a little bit later. And color black ang kanyang frames. And by the way, guys, this is made out of military, 3 times military grade material. So, meaning it's shock-proof and dust-proof. Of course, syempre, water-resistant na rin siya at the same time. And what's nice dito is perfect siya for adventures like mountain climbing and other adventures that you may go to. Yung medyo mas rough, no? So, kung nalaglag to, okay lang. You feel safe kasi it can sustain 3 times more damage than other cases. So, I'm pretty sure and confident na safe ang aking iPhone dito together with the Torras O stand. So, this one is also 5 times more magnetic, meaning it can charge fast with your Magsafe chargers. And also, I have here is my Ugreen GAN fast charger na 100 watts. So, meron siyang 3 port dito, 4 na port actually, 3 Type-C port, isang Type-A port. So, all I need to do is just plug into my power. Tingnan natin ang power, no? Then, I also have here is one of my go-to na charger, which is called the Xundd Magsafe wireless charger. It's a 15 watts na quick charger. Madalas ko siyang gamit, nakalapag lang to sa aking table. And what's nice is Type-C port na siya. So, meaning all I need to do is just plug it here on any of the Type-C port na meron ni Ugreen. Now, marinig nyo yung snap dito, no? Which is very satisfying. And it's charging. Diba? Medyo mahirap nga siya hilain eh. Pakinggan nyo. Diba? Very satisfying. Yeah. So, what's nice din dito is when you're charging, pwede mo i-rotate yung phone ninyo like this. Since sabi ko sa inyo, it's 360 degree. So, you can rotate it like this. Okay? So, kung gusto mo on an angle like this, on an angle like this, okay lang. Ikot mo lang siya, which is pretty cool. And of course, kung gusto nyo laruin, like fidget, pwede mo siya ikutin. But of course, remember na magko-coil up ang iyong cord like this. Ayan, nagko-coil up na siya. But it's cool. Diba? As well as itong 360 na stand ni Torras, makiklip mo, marinig mo na yung satisfying sound. Good. And next na papakita ko is a power bank na gawa din ni Xundd. So, it's the Xundd na wireless power bank with stand. Okay? So, pakita ko sa inyo how you can use this one. So, all you need to do is just turn it around. Gawin nyo na siyang like this. Yan, so may stand na siya. Palapag mo lang siya, like this. Then, next is to put your phone. Ganun lang, mag-charge na siya. And of course, don't forget to press the power button para mag-charge siya. So, isa-stand mo lang siya. Very portable, which is cool. And this one also has a 15 watts na charging capability, which is pretty cool. So, pag snap nyo, pwede mo rin twist kung gusto nyo. Wala lang. Katuwan lang. Okay? And next one na papakita ko sa inyo is definitely cool. This one is a camera handle na pwede nyo ilagay sa likod ng yung iPhone. This one is the shutter button and this one is the switch mode button. And gagawin nyo lang is just put it like this dito sa magnet. So, makiklip siya. And hahawakan mo lang siya like this. So, you can take you can take shots like this. Though, hindi ko pa siya na-prepare, no? But for sure, it's a very nice and handy one. Kasi alam ko nakakangawit when you're holding it like this, dalawang kamay. But if you're holding like this, parang a DSLR camera, mirrorless camera, it's better, mas less stress. So yeah, this is one of my cool finds as well. And last but not the least that I got from Xiaomi, this is a very cool charger that I got from Shani Masangkay. This one is the wireless charging dock na portable ang kanyang power bank. Now it works like this. So this is a dock basically, pero this is your wireless charger. So you can see may mga pin siya dito. So ilalagay mo lang siya dito, yung kanyang charging pin, and it will work just like a charging dock. So all I need to do is just simply power it up. Pakita ko lang sa inyo very quickly. Kapit lang natin sa ating U-green. So kita naman color green na siya. So it's charging at the same time, and you can charge your Magsafe charge. So yan lang siya. Okay. So you can see it's already charging. So it's going to look like this. So okay siya, no? Very easy to use. And if you're on the hurry, on the go, all you need to do is hilahin mo lang siya. Okay? Yung power bank. And you're continuously charging. Hilahin mo lang siya, makita mo you're still continuously charging on the go. Okay? So this is wireless din siya. So yeah, it's a very portable one. And di mo na kailangan ikabit pa sa charging cable. Kapit mo lang sa kanyang dock and you're ready to go. Now guys, allow me to demonstrate some of the function dito. All you need to do is just pull this one down and use it as a portrait. Pang ganon. So if you want to watch mga videos dito sa TikTok, sa Facebook, Instagram, it's really nice. Ganon lang, mag-scroll ka lang. And it's okay. Very satisfying and ganito itsura niya on the side. Now you can twist it around. So you can twist it around just like this. Angle down mo lang para maging ganun siya. Now, this is perfect if you're watching YouTube standard format on the landscape mode. So if you're watching NBA playoffs, it's pretty good. And it's going to look something like this on the side. And, well, watching is pretty much enjoyable. Now, you can tilt the angle so you'll get a better view. Just like this. Pretty cool. Now on this orange one, you can also use it as a stand, even though it's not rotatable. Now you can also turn it on this mode and watch it on this format. No problem, even that it's not rotatable. Now guys, I'm pretty sure na interested kayo sa mga pinakita ko sa inyo mga gadgets na pwede nyo gamitin sa inyong iPhone 14 Pro Max and other iPhones that is compatible with these ones. Probably except this case is just simply made for iPhone 14 Pro Max, but yung mga wireless chargers and chargers, you can use it for other iPhone models. So if you're interested to buy mga KC Torras, I'll be posting it on the link below. Just check it out. And also other accessories that I've discussed, check na lang sa description box below. Now guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.